Hello and welcome to Solution Loans. This short video covers a guide to improving your credit rating. If you have a less than perfect credit rating from financial mistakes in the past, you will find your borrowing options have become more limited. Even missing direct debit payments for utility bills can leave a mark against your credit file, which could cause you problems should you want to apply for a loan or a credit card. If you find yourself in this position, the first thing to know is that you are by no means alone. No matter what your circumstances, virtually every problem obtaining credit can be repaired given time, and by following some simple steps. First, obtain a copy of your credit file from one of the main credit reference agencies. These are Equifax, Experian, or Cool Credit. These will better help you find out what exactly might be impeding your ability to get credit. When you look through your credit report, make sure that there aren't other people's credit histories recorded mistakenly against yours. Make sure you are registered on the electoral roll at your current address. It's surprising how many people are refused credit simply because they haven't updated the electoral roll with their current new details. Ensure that you don't have a joint credit with a former partner. If that person has a less than perfect credit rating, then this will affect your ability to get a loan or credit card, especially if the credit reference agencies believe that you are still linked. Next, request a credit reference agency to remove any out-of-date information. Information is held on your file for a minimum of 6 years and includes settled accounts, defaults, bankruptcy order, individual voluntary arrangements, county court judgments, and fines imposed at magistrates' courts. In some cases, utility companies also register missed payments on electricity, gas, water, or phone bills with a credit reference agency. Close any accounts, cards, or mobile phone contracts that you no longer use. The more credit accounts that appear on your file, the more of a red flag to finance companies. Don't make multiple applications for financial products like credit cards, loans, or mobile phone contracts. These applications will be registered on your credit file and will be seen by other lenders who might judge that you're in financial difficulty. Stay on time with your payments to your existing credit providers for current agreements. Look for credit deals that allow soft searches, those which allow to get a quotation before proceeding to carry out a real credit check. These will allow you to test the water before actually going ahead and making an application. Ensure your correct name and address are registered to all your current credit agreements. Start rebuilding your credit. It may sound counterintuitive, but successfully applying for a credit card or loan that is tailored specifically for people with less than perfect credit scores can put you back on the path to having an excellent credit rating. There are a large number of loan, card, and other finance providers who have products designed to help you in this situation. The interest rates may be higher than for those with perfect credit will pay, but if you religiously make your payments on time, pay off the balance on your card, and use your new accounts in moderation, then this will all have a positive effect on your credit rating. Keep your balances low by avoiding carrying a balance of more than 30% of your credit limit on a card. Some lenders may view this as debt that could become unstable should your circumstances change. Remember, be patient. Rebuilding your credit rating is not something that happens overnight. You can't rush this because it takes time for your new credit history to overwrite your old one. You need to remember that you're demonstrating to potential lenders that you're not dependent upon credit for your day-to-day life, but instead you want to use these products responsibly to make your life easier. With patience and time, you can rebuild your rating and successfully apply for any consumer credit product. As mentioned in the plan, there are loan products specifically designed to help you recover a good credit rating, and we have access to many of these.